In this channel, we dive deep into YouTube video SEO and optimization strategies that can skyrocket your views and engagement. Today, I'm giving you a sneak peek into what you can expect from our content. Let's talk about the basics of YouTube video SEO and how it can help you get discovered. First, why is YouTube SEO important? Well, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. By optimizing your videos, you can rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. We'll cover topics like keyword research, finding the right keywords to target your audience effectively. Then we'll get into practical tips. This includes crafting compelling titles, writing detailed descriptions, and using the best tags. For example, did you know that having a detailed description with your main keywords can significantly improve your video's visibility? And let's not forget about thumbnails. A great thumbnail can make your video stand out and get clicked. We'll also explore advanced tactics like engagement hacks, analyzing YouTube analytics, and much more. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for stopping by MarketerWare. Let's grow together and make your YouTube dream